Feels lighter. Cops busted you, huh? How you doing?
Yeah.
Dwayne?
Yep.
Nice to meet you. This is Terry.
Hi, how you doing?
Alright.
Right, this far door right here?
Yeah.
Alright.
We have the oldest one and they have the second oldest one. So they maintain their system well, just like we have. And they have them blades, but they're a little on the older side. But you know,
The side of the windshield, the top flange of the windshield.
So we're gonna stop right here.
Yeah. So you can come right to the bottom of this door. But then starting here, we are going to mount skirting, so probably, you know, take your same measurement all the way around.
Two separate chemicals are separated until there's a piston in here.
Okay.
They don't mix until it gets inside that piston. And it shoots out, so it's trigger activated.
Big industrial paint gun. Oh, yeah.
That heats the chemical.
Okay.
Goes through. I caught it in there now because these are chemicals for you guys.
Yeah, okay.
And one of those barrels.
Okay. Yep.
Pretty much as soon as it hits,
It hits it, starts to set. Yeah, because I didn't know if we'd be able to see rivets or anything like that, no? Or anything.
Things show up here.
Because the rivets on the roof indicate to me where things are. So if I need to run wires or anything like that, you know, we have to drill through.
Oh, you won't see it now. It's really big up there.
But I pretty much know where all the pipes are.
We had it there, and then we're
Yeah, it sure did. You don't have near the sound, you know what I mean? It's a lot quieter. A lot more solid sound. When you sit to the rattle of the window, you know.
Oh yeah, well, what was that?
That's great.
Here,